Hi guys, if you've seen my recent video, you probably know that I bought a KitchenAid classic 250 watt mixer for 250 zloty at the Polish auction site Allegro. So 250, that's something like 57, maybe $58, shipping included. And here it is. So in general, it had some transportation damage. The base is bent a little bit and it didn't work. So I fixed it, and I'm losing faith in the technical ability of the young people nowadays. I can understand that if I bought it from some old lady that was broken, maybe from some estate sale. But this is a company that buys Amazon returns, whole pallets of kitchen equipment. Then they fix them and sell them off. And whatever they cannot fix, they sell at really cheap prices. And that's one of those mixers. So what was the problem? The mixer included a sheet of paper like this. It's in Polish, but in general, it's instruction of mounting the carbon brushes. First thing it says here, if the brushes will not be installed correctly, the mixer will not start. So unscrew these, flipped over the brushes to the correct position, and it runs perfectly. So I didn't have to buy anything. I did buy some brushes in the past from my other mixer. I generally buy everything on AliExpress. It's much cheaper. These were, I don't remember what was the price for the whole set. I'll include a link below to the AliExpress offer. I also ordered already all the accessories, the mixing attachments. The only problem with the bowl itself, and I'm just waiting for some offer for a used one. So I think that the total price should come out to something like $100 for basically a totally new mixer with just some scratches. So I'm just wondering if I should try bending this back into place. This is, I guess, pressure injected aluminum. So there's a risk that trying to bend it back into place, it might crack. I might just add something under that foot there so it doesn't come off balance. And then, of course, because it's a slightly higher, you can use the screw here to adjust the top head so that the mixer bit doesn't hit against the bowl. And that's basically it. So it's worthwhile looking through the auction sites, especially looking for the Amazon returns, because there are a lot of bargains you can find like this. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.